So Clive asks, and I'm glad he's asked this question, the call center also includes resulting damages from the geyser. So related to the claim. So you would have a geyser and then some resultant damages. Correct, question mark, 2 claims and thus 2 excess payments. Okay, so Clive, you're half on track there. The actual answer is it's always one event. So the geyser burst and there's resultant damage. One event, but one event and 2 excesses in this point. It's actually still deemed one excess. It's just that you've got excess for the geyser, and then you've got a cumulative excess. We call it cumulative excess for the resultant damage. So it's just 1 + 1 = 2. So your excess becomes 2 instead of 1. Okay, so 1 claim, 2. Okay, so 1 claim, 2 excesses.